Good morning, students. Today our next topic is isothermal process, and we will do the work done during this process. Then we will do adiabatic, and then work done in that process. Clear? Now, isothermal process is that process in which temperature remains constant. Temperature remains constant. Then this process is called isothermal process, and we can say that pressure and volume can change. Pressure and volume can change, but temperature remains constant. And these conditions for these process conditions, very first condition, that the cylinder in which gas is enclosed, that should have conducting walls. मतलब ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਲੰਡਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਕਲੋਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਵੀ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ, ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਵੋਲੀਅਮ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵਾਲਸ ਨੇ ਦੈਟ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਕੰਡਕਟਿੰਗ ਵਾਲਸ, ਮੀਨਸ the heat can enter in the system and heat can also leave from the system. Then second is gas should be compressed or allowed to expand very slowly. ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੈਸ ਨੇ compression or expansion, that should be slow. मतलब very slow process होनी चाहिए. अगर compression हो रही है या फिर expansion of gas is there, then it should be very slow process. Now according to ideal gas equation, ideal gas PV is equal to RT. This is the ideal gas equation for 1 mole of gas. Now for the isothermal process, this T is constant, R is already constant, so this PV is equal to constant. It means if we are taking the initial stage where pressure is P1, volume is V1, and initial state है, and final state where pressure is P2 and volume is V2, so we can say that P1 V1 that will be constant. Similarly P2 V2 that will be also constant, because this relation, this PV is equal to constant. So from these two equations, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is the isothermal conditions for isothermal, or this is the expression for isothermal process. Then next is first law applied to isothermal process. First law applied to isothermal process. मतलब isothermal process से first law apply करना. Now according to first law we know that dQ is equal to du plus P dV. As in isothermal process, this dt is equal to 0. It means du is equal to 0. If du is equal to 0, then from this equation dq will be equal to du, means whole of the energy given to the system that will increase its internal energy. Clear? Now some conclusion from this expression, that when gas is isothermal expansion, means जे isothermal expansion हो रही है, then dq is positive, क्योंकि expand हो रही है गैस, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होएगा, dq will be positive. जे dq positive हो रही है, it means heat है जेडी that is also positive. If heat is positive, it means work is done by the system. Work is done by the system. Similarly, secondly, if gas has isothermal compression, means gas is undergoing compression, then dq will be negative. Compression means there are dV that is decreasing, volume is decreasing. अगर dV negative, it means dq will negative. So work is done on the system. Clear? Now next is work done. कितना work done होया? Then we will find it this. Work done during a isothermal expansion. Isothermal process we can say that, whether it is compression or whether it is expansion. First of all, we will take 1 mole of gas that is enclosed in a cylinder with frictionless and weightless piston. ठीक है? We am taking an initial state where pressure is P1, volume is V1. Then we are taking this piston, this is the stage B, where final volume is P2, V2, and at any time at this time pressure is P and V, and we can say that here to here A and B, this is small distance dx, which piston will cover. Then at this stage let pressure is P1 and B1, initial stage. Then at this stage let pressure at any instant, that is P1, P and V. And after when piston moves the distance dx, let pressure is P and volume is B plus dV, small volume change. It means at any instant when pressure is P and volume is B, the temperature is T. Then suppose piston move the through distance, this dx distance. It means if small distance will cover by the piston, so small work done dW will be force into displacement. Now force on the piston, we know that pressure is equal to force upon area. So force is equal to pressure into area, because we will apply the pressure to the piston so that it will cover the distance dx. So this is PAX. Now this area of cross section of the piston into this distance, that will be the volume. So it will be dV. Clear? Now if a system goes from initial stage P1 B1 to stage B P2 V2, then it means total work done dW will be equal to integration from volume is changing B1 to V2 into this P dV. Clear? So this here it will be P dV. So volume B1 and V2 is changing, initial stage B1, final stage V2. So for 1 mole of a gas we know that PV is equal to RT. From here we will find the value of V, that will be equal to RT upon V. P is equal to, here we will put the value of P in terms of B, RT upon V. Now this W will be equal to integration from B1 to B2 RT upon B into dV. Now this R is constant, T is also constant for isothermal process, so only dV by B is left. So W is equal to RT integration B1 to B2 dV upon B. Now integration of this 1 upon B into dV, that will be log of EV from B1 to B2. Clear? Now W iso, that will be RT upper limit log EV2 minus log EV1. Clear? Or this is the property of log, that if there is two terms with minus sign, then this will become V2 by V1. They will become in denominator. Clear? Then we will change this natural log to the log base 10. That is equal to RT into 2.303 log of 10 V2 by V1. Or we can say that 2.303 RT log the base 10 V2 by V1. Clear? And we know that PV is equal to constant and P1 B1 is equal to P2 B2. Already we know that from isothermal process. So from this term B2 by B1 is equal to P1 by P2. Or if work done we want in terms of pressure, then we will put the value of this B2 by B1 as P1 by P2. So W in terms of pressure will be 2.303 RT log of 10 P1 by P2. Clear? This is for the 1 mole of gas. Now next is adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Now this is the process in which pressure, volume and temperature of the system can change, but there will be no exchange of heat. Means heat of the system remains constant. Heat of the system remains constant means pressure भी change हो सकता, volume भी change हो सकता है, temperature भी. बट हीट आ जी सराउंडिंग के सिस्टम के विच कोई भी हीट ट्रांसफर नहीं होगी, कोई भी हीट एक्सचेंज नहीं होगी. सो कंडीशन फॉर दिस के द गैस in which cylinder it is enclosed, that should be have insulating walls. Means no heat should be go outside and no heat should be allowed to come inside the cylinder. The gas should be compressed, compression or expansion. That should be very quickly, बहुत जल्दी हो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है? Now we know that equation for adiabatic, like in isothermal PV is equal to constant सीगा. ठीक है? But in adiabatic process, this P1 B1 raised to per gamma means this is gamma is the adiabatical constant. P2 V2 gamma. Clear? Or we can say that this gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Cp is the heat capacity at constant pressure, Cv is the heat capacity at constant volume. It means in this P V raised to power gamma is equal to constant. This is the adiabatic equation. Clear? Or PV is equal to RT. In terms of T and volume, we can also find it. Clear? So PV by T is equal to R. That is a constant. इसका मतलब P is equal to TV T by B into R, that is a constant term. So we can say that T upon B, we will put the value of this in this equation. Pressure volume T upon B into constant term, and V raised to power gamma is equal to constant because RT is also constant term. So we can say that T V raised to power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant term. Clear? This is the another equation in terms of volume for the adiabatic process. Or further we can say that if initial state T1 initial volume is this, then we can say that T2 V2 raised to power gamma minus 1. Or similarly we can say that P raised to power gamma minus 1 over T raised to power gamma. This is another term. Clear? By putting the value of V here, from here we can put the value of V, then this term will become. Now first law is applied to this adiabatic process, that is dQ is equal to du plus P dV. Clear? We know that this dQ is equal to 0. Then we can say that du plus P dV is equal to 0. It means du is equal to minus P dV, or we can say that minus du is equal to P dV. Clear? ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ when gas undergo adiabatic expansion, मतलब adiabatically gas expand ਕਰਦੀ ਆ, then du is positive. It means P dV will also be positive. If du is negative, then total energy will decrease and gas will cools down. मतलब गैस आ जी वो cool down हो जाएगी. Similarly, when gas undergo adiabatic compression, du is negative, then P dV will also negative. It means du will be positive, so temperature will increase. Clear? And gas will heated up. Clear? Up to this, if you will have any problem, you can talk at any time.